Can you really fix the yellow light of death and other problems on your PS3 from home? If you have freezing up on your console, your games have stopped reading, the yellow light is flashing, or you have the red flashing light and error codes, we guarantee that you can fix this within an hour. You can save up to $150 on repair fees and a 6-week wait, and be back gaming within an hour today. You can do this at home with a few household tools and save yourself money and time, and more importantly, get back to gaming. Step-by-step videos. Anyone can follow, even if you have no technical experience. Proven fix. We have helped over 20,000 gamers fix their PS3s and get back to gaming with a permanent fix.
There you go, no more yellow light, all working, all good. Thanks again, mate, thank you very much.
The benefits are, you won't lose any of your hard drive data or saved games. You won't get a cheap refurb. And best of all, you get back to gaming today within an hour, even if it's 2 in the morning. You can follow a proven fix that is guaranteed to work for you. Anyone can do this. All you need to do is click Add to Cart and get the full YLOD Repair Wizard package right now. You will get full HD videos guiding you through every step of the way, even if you're not very technical. Full accompanying book and pictures to go along with the videos. Full 24/7 support if you need it. Lifetime access, free updates and guaranteed fix. So take the YLOD Repair Wizard Challenge today. We're so confident that you can carry out the fix and repair your PS3 problem permanently within an hour from now. And we're so sure if it does not work, you will get a full, no questions asked refund. Get started now and save money, time, and most of all, get back to gaming. Click Add to Cart below to get started.